Right guys, so I'm out here again. For the past few days I've been fighting with the devil inside myself, and yeah, I just can't have a quiet car. This one's too quiet, and all I keep hearing is the exhaust blowing, and it's got a fairly new muffler on it, but I want to change the exhaust system up a bit anyway. So today, I think for the sake of it, I'm just going to cut it off. Yep, I'm going to cut it off. Yeah, let's get to it. Right, so don't do this normally, and don't do it the way I'm about to do it, because this is downright stupid. And you could lose your eyesight by doing it this way, but I'm limited. I don't have a jack. I just want to get under here a bit better. Oh God, I'm gonna die doing this. Well, that's part way through. Yeah, gonna have to change up the plan a bit, because I think this this guard is being a bit awkward. So I'll be back with you in a moment. Oh, ow. Right, I'm just adjusting the guard now. Make sure it don't come loose. Back under we go. I'm going to try and get out of the shot of the sparks bit. Alright, that was most of the way through it. Back to the hacksaw. And at last, it's that. These things weigh a ton, but if you could ever see inside one, this one's good condition one, so I'm not going to cut it open, I'm going to save it, which is why I've badly cut it there. But you know, just for the hell of it, yeah, I'm knackered. Let's see what this thing sounds like. Right guys, so yeah, I did that. I probably shouldn't have done that. It sounds terrible. Like, it just sounds like a fart going down the road. But don't worry, those of you that are thinking, oh my God, did he just cut his exhaust off and he's going to leave it like that? That looks so crap. No, I'm not. I do have a back box that I did buy for this car a long time ago, and it will have a downswept tip, and it will be fitted properly, and hopefully it won't sound like so much of a fart. I just want a bit of a sporty tone. I don't want it to sound like a Honda hitting VTEC, because believe me, these do. these sound so much like a Honda engine, it's unreal. To say they don't rev as high anyway. So yeah guys, if you want my opinion, don't cut your muffler off. I'm known for doing this though. It's not the first time I've done it. If any of you have seen the clip of the E430, within 3 days of buying that I cut the exhaust off and it was just 2 pipes under the car. Yeah, cut off at the axle. Yeah, but then I did do it properly, as you could see. Yeah, don't recommend doing it. You won't get a nice sound, but hopefully the way I'm doing it, it should have a nice sporty tone without being an ASBO car. We'll see. Alright guys, you probably won't like this one, but if you want to, subscribe. Alright guys, see you in the next one.